Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the Lagna Kundali. This is the first house and this is the second house. The first house is known as the Ascendant Lagna or the first house of self. It is the most important house in the birth chart because it represents a native's overall personality, physical body, and approach the life. The first house represents physical appearance, complex and body structure, health and vitality, personality and character, nature and behavior. First house represents self-confidence and courage, mindset and attitude toward life, head and brain, soul and life force and early life, working ability and efficiency, overall happiness and life experience, paternal grandfather and other paternal relatives according to traditional Vedic astrology. Now, significator of this house, sun. Sun is the natural significator Karaka of the first house. It represents confidence, leadership, vitality, self-esteem and the soul. Let's begin with the first house, also known as the Ascendant Lagna. This is the most important house, guys, and in the birth chart because it represents the native. Through the first house, we study a person's physical appearance, health, personality, confidence, behavior, and overall approach to the life. It also indicates the head, early life, and inner strength. The natural significator of this house is the sun, which symbolizes confidence, vitality, and the soul. And this is the second house. The second house, known as the house of the wealth, it represents accumulated wealth, family, speech, values, and the resources that supports a person's life. The second house represents wealth and saving, bank balance and financial security, family and family values, joint family, family happiness, food and eating habits, clothing and personal possessions, speech and communications, face, mouth, teeth, tongue, right side, eye, throat, and ENT related matters, gold, silver, and gemstone. Primary educations. The food preference and speaking style depended on planetary influence. And the significator of this house, Jupiter. Jupiter is the natural significator of this house, second house. It represents wealth, wisdom, prosperity, value, and refined speech. Now, let's begin to second house, also known as the house of wealth. This house is not only about money, it also represents family, speech, saving, food habit, and personal values. From this house, we can understand how a person manages finance, communications, and others, and maintain family relationships. It also governs the mouth, teeth, tongue, throat, and the right eye, and primary education. The natural significator of the second house is Jupiter. Jupiter is the natural significator of the second house, which represents wisdom, prosperity, and ethical values. This is the birth chart. So, this brings us to the end of today's lesson. In these videos, we learned about the first house and the second house and their natural significator planets. We'll continue with the remaining houses in the next lesson. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming astrology lessons. And if you like the learn Vedic astrology in a structured and detailed way, download the Global Astrology Academy app from the Google Play Store and join astrology course.